Point of sales, module 5. So in this video, we will be adding colors to all action buttons. We will also be looking at why the receipt was not showing up correctly in the last video. This shouldn't take much. It should be real short and sweet. Let's go coding. All right. Let's continue with our POS. Let's make a copy of this module 4. Control C, Control V. Make that 5. Let's go in there and see what's going on. We were having issue viewing the receipt last time. So let's take a look at the POS, why it's not showing up correctly. So it's probably going to have to do with this pay now. When we add this pay now, all right, because the pay now, I think it has to do with the pay now. Let me see. Right here, because that right there used to be complete, and we change all these, change this stuff to this guy. Change the complete to a pay now. So yeah, let's go into save right here. So what's going on there? There should be something about this guy. What's going on? So we got if it's pay now here. All right. So let's take a look at this. Let's look at the set order, because that's what happens first. So we gotta go line by line, checking out set order right here. Good, it's not that far. Oh, I see. I already see what's wrong with it right there. You see there? It was trying to save the order here, the transaction. Oh, so I bet you, if I'm not mistaken, I think the order is missing a bunch of these stuff. You see right here? Because, yeah. Yep. So right here, when it says if it's complete, that's what it used to be. Do this. But now we didn't change that to pay now. Therefore, this guy's in the order, but the transaction, the transaction is, yeah. You know what? I bet you if we say pay now, I think that's going to fix all problem right there. I bet you that's what it was. All right, let's test it out. If that's the case, it should be real simple. All right, let's add a couple items. There, we got 2. Done. Pay. 430669. Oh, I noticed when I tap away, it doesn't change. The change doesn't change. See there? So we need to fix that, make it look complete. Full payment required. What do you mean? Oh, the 83. There. There you go. Oh, hold on. What the heck? 4. Alright, let's try that again. Done. Hey, I'm just gonna copy that guy. Actually, That's better. Complete. That's what it was. Told you that's what it was. We never changed to complete to pay now. Good. Good, good, good. Now, we can be fancy. POS receipt. Or just type receipt. Alright, so we can be fancy with that one. And you know what? It never clear here. Let's do some formatting. Now that our receipt works, that was quick. That was like that's what 2 minutes debugging. I like that. We're gonna fix this guy. See how it does not clear? That's not cool. Also, we're gonna do some massaging here. All right. I noticed it doesn't change when I tap away after making a payment. So let's do some more tweaking. I think what we really need here, I'm gonna select this guy, is to change that to currency. All right. And I'm gonna change this tab order here, or not tab, yeah, tab order, the index. See how you got one index there? Let's make that a 2. And we're just gonna continue down the line. 3, 4, 5, changing the index, 5, 6, this should be 7, that should be 8, that should be 9, 10, and that should be 11. This one should be 11. If I click on it, bam, there you go. And that's 12. So that's what we are worried about, 12. All right. Now, let's massage this. I'm going to let's format this guy. I'll show you what we're gonna do here. It's this. All right. Now all this are currency, but I'm going to be a little fancy. I'm gonna say green, dollar sign. I'm gonna do the same formatting as we did in the back. Except we're gonna color it up in the front. All right. That's how it's gonna look like. Oh, they change. Darn. Eh. That should be dollar. There. All right, let's go to the back end. Actually, you know what? On this one right here, when we hit enter, we don't want it to jump to the next index. All right, we want it to jump to complete. And let me see. I'm going to show you what I mean. All right. Before I do that, there's one thing I need to do here. First off, we are going to change this guy. We're going to default this guy to payment 0, change 0. Now we don't have to format because we changed that to currency. All right, so you see how I'm trying to show you different things here. See, now we don't have to change all this. All right, I'm just going to take all that out. We don't need formatting now because of that. So I'm gonna even complete here. All right, all I'm doing is just going to do that. And I'm going to take this out. We don't need formatting because we format in the front end as the currency. All right. All right. Let's test it out. And you will see why it doesn't look. Well, it's fine. It just doesn't look attractive. All right. So we add that. Step we done. We're gonna make a payment. You see how it jumps to there? That's good. All right. Now if I put 1,000 in here and tap away, it changes. Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, it changes. Oh, that's not cool. Huh. Oh yeah, it didn't update this guy. I know why. But you see how it jumps to there? See how it jumps to there? We want when we tap away from this payment box, we want it to come to complete. All right. So let's edit and cancel this guy. This is what we wanted to do. Let me show you how to make this happen. So on the payment text box, go to the event. We want to say on exit. That means when the cursor is away, the blinking cursor is moved away. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, and here we're gonna say txt change. As a matter of fact, you know what? As a matter of fact, I noticed this guy is like this, like this right here. We're gonna take that away. All right, we're gonna do something different. We don't want that there. And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab this guy in the complete because yeah, we don't. Once this guy is moved away, we don't want to wait for the user, for the employee to click on complete before it show up on the change. We want anytime the changes in here in the payment, we want to update the change text box right away. All right, without having to wait to for the complete button. So that's what's gonna happen. See there? That's how that's gonna happen. All right, now I bet you now it's gonna look right. Oh, hold on, just a sec. Just a sec. I was gonna say, once we done this, once that payment is done, we need to move the focus to complete. Oops. That's what we really want the employee to do. Is that hey, when that payment is done, set focus. All right. So now let's Control S. Let's take a look at this guy. I bet you it's gonna look better. Okay. 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 Now watch. Done. Make a payment. Good. Let's underpay. Tap away or hit enter. See there? That's what we want. So that this thing looks right. If you see here, the complete here, it has focus now. Now if we come back in here, we're gonna update 2000. Hit an enter key or a tab key. It updates it. You see there? And that's what we want. All right. And if we do this, it's going to validate. See there? And then you know what? When that happens, yeah, we get a little fancy here. When that happens, yeah, I guess we can do this. We're gonna say me text box payment set focus. We can do that. So if there's a message in here, we want it to jump back to here. Watch. See there? See there? Likewise, now if that guy has focus, you cannot do that. It will bark at you. So what you need to do here, here's a trick. Move the cursor away to add where it was not. All right. And now you can do, and then you can do this. Okay. Remember, if the control already has a focus, you try to refocus, and it won't do that. It will bark at you. All right. So now we are making sure that that cursor is somewhere else. Then we can set this cursor. All right. So let's test it out. I'm going to empty out that guy. See there? We already know that's, yeah, there's a cursor there. Okay. Okay. So we know it doesn't work that way. Let's try again. Let's try it again. Done. Payment. Full payment. That's good. Edit. Done. Pay. Huh. See ya. So we can, yeah, I guess, you know what? That's what if we put 1000 in there and tap away. Okay, so that will work as well. What if we don't put anything in there? Payment required. See there? What if we put wrong funky item? See, now because we changed the, see there, this is a system message that I was referring to you. Because we changed the text box control to currency, now we get this system, error message. All right. So it's expecting a numeric field here. All right. So that's what I was trying to tell you about. If you change this text to currency or number, you get this type of messages. All right. But that's okay. I mean, the employee is just going to have to know it. All right. That's better. And then complete. Now, pay now. There you go. So that's how that works. All right. Since it's so quick now. Oh, I'll say I was going to clear this guy right here. Let's do that. Let's clear that guy. That shouldn't be hard to clear. That is just easy. All we do is right here, show you pay now right here. Just add that guy and that guy, and that's it, because that is the final, and we need to default the text box to zeros. All right. One thing that I want to do, just to dress it up, I am going to I'm gonna come down here where very close to the clear text boxes here. I am going to say color action button, So what I want to do here, what do you want to add button back color to be? I think we should add that to be, how about blue? Let's see what blue looks like. Command done. How about done? Blue, green. Yeah. How about dark green? Right here. We're gonna color this thing up. Cancel. Cancel should be, you know what? Back color. Cancel should be, how about red? Yeah, cancel should be red. CMD, pivot. What the green looks like, huh? What the green looks like, back color. Dark green and green, what does it look like? Let's see. Alright. Me, and this one is edit. Yeah, this one is edit. Edit back color. Now edit back color should be yellow. What do you think? Let's see, dark yellow. And then finally, the command complete. Back color. Complete should be, let's try purple, see what it looks like. And then we have the last button, oops, which is pay now. This should be lime green. What do you think? Lime green. Oops. Oh, back color there. Lime green. Let's see what they look like. You got a bunch of greens here. I don't know if I like all bunch of greens. Done. I think change done to what do we have? Orange, peach. I think dark color would look nice to these guys. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna do that. So we're gonna do dark blue. We're gonna do a dark color. Dark blue, dark red. Yeah, dark green. The reason why we put dark green, dark color here is I don't know about dark green here. Payment. Let's see what else. Got dark purple, dark orange, dark red. Those are lights, light color. What about orange? And here's dark green. When we make payment, it's dark green. All right, let's take a look. So what we want to do here, we'll go ahead and initialize this at the front end, at the preset, right here, call, like that. All right, and we are going to make the back color to white. That way they stand out. Full color, like so. Copy that. See how we're gonna make this guy, dress this guy up and make this guy look nice. We're gonna test out with the white first. Oops. All right, and let's see what they look like. I'm gonna close that out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, we got red. What's up with that? Um, let's take a look at the cancel button. Oh, dark red. How about dark something? Brown. Faded purple. We got purple there. Orange. We got orange. Uh, yeah. That one. Dark gray. Dark orange. Dark peach. How about dark peach? Alright. It's not too shabby. Let's close that out. Yes. Yeah, that's not too bad. Now we can change this. Now let's test this out with the black color. Now the pair now looks right. Except let's change this guy to black. See what they look like. Alright. Control S, close the form down. Oh, I know why. We need to, Oh. Okay, got you. I got you. So that's cool. It changes. So it shows black only when it's when it's enabled, which is cool. All right. So it say we're done. Look at that. Nice. So when it's deactivated, it goes back to this faded text color. All right. So now let's make payment. See there. So it's really up to you how you want this to happen. Yeah, that's you know what? That's pretty cool. See there? We can change that guy to black complete. We can change that to white. I think that's and then that to white as well. I think that would work. So I'm just showing you option that you can do on your own. We're gonna see that like that. So you can basically do that. Edit, cancel. Let's try again. Add. But the thing is, you can't really understand it, you know, if you default it to like this. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's one thing that you can do if you want to. So we get done with payment, and and see how that guy is not lit up. I know why that guy is not lit up. It needs to be initialized. Yeah. See, now it's see there. So, but you can play around with it. All right. You can play around with it. See what you want to do, and then you can say complete, and then this guy shows up, and then you just continue, and that's it. All right. Well, that's what I don't want to get into too deep. All right. I'm just showing you how to get things working. Um, Normally, if someone were to code this and for sale, it it will yeah, it's you can make a lot of money off from this. You do it right. But I'm not gonna go into details. I'm just showing you a bit by bit. All right. I don't get paid doing this, by the way. So I'm just helping you out how to code. So the next thing that we want to do, I want to add an employee table here for the users to use these things. All right. So in the next video, we're gonna add maybe a user table or employee table. For now, happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.